How to log in Netflix account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Netflix account. For that, you can open the Netflix app on your device. If you don't have the app, you can simply open up any web browser. Then on the web browser, you want to search for Netflix. Now head over to this website, which is netflix.com. Once you get here, simply tap on the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. In order to sign in, enter your email or mobile number. After that, you want to enter your password. Now, simply tap on the sign in option. If the details you have entered are correct, you will be successfully signed in. In case you have forgotten your password, tap on the forgot password option. Then select email or text message. If you select your email, you can simply enter it over here and tap on the email me option. Then a link will be sent to you. Simply follow the instructions to reset your password. If you do not have an account, you can create one by tapping on the sign up now option. In order to get started, go ahead and enter your email address. Then tap on the get started option. Now, follow the on-screen prompts in order to create a new Netflix account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.